Good day everyone. Today our group will be presenting our redesigned garden pavilion, which is based on the metaphor of calmness. This presentation is a full synthesis of our individual research output combined into one organized discussion, and we will show how all our ideas guided the final design. In our previous activity, each of us studied examples of architecture that communicate meaning, emotion, and atmosphere. Through this study, we discovered that architecture is not only about physical structure, but also about how spaces make people feel. We learned that calmness in architecture can come from simple forms, natural lighting, soft materials, open airflow, and gentle shape. These elements appeared many times in our individual research. We combined our findings. We noticed that most calm spaces are curved forms, open layouts, and natural elements to reduce stress and create a peaceful environment. This became our shared foundation. We also learned the importance of symbolism, how a concept, emotion, or metaphor can guide the whole design. This synthesis influenced our new pavilion. Instead of focusing on the appearance of a specific object, like in our previous Lotus inspired design, we shifted toward a more emotional and abstract idea. Our main goal is to create a space that makes you breathe easier, think clearer, and feel more relaxed. This led us con our central concept, calmness as a special experience. We choose calmness as our metaphor because it represents quietness, mental balance, and emotional rest. In a busy environment, a calm space can represent the mind. The pavilion aims to create a soft and gentle experience for visitors. Emotion and special qualities to invoke. Peace, softness, open breathable space, lightness, quiet movement, a place that encourages slow breathing and relaxation. Short walkthrough of our 5 translation sketches. Sketch 1, gentle curved lines that symbolize soft emotion. Sketch 2, a lifted shell-like roof to represent protection without heaviness. Sketch 3, layered roof filtering sunlight like calm morning light. Sketch 4, open sides that allow air to pass gently. Sketch 5, a light frame representing emotional weightlessness. How the concept changed from the previous design. Our old pavilion used a literal object, like the lotus, to represent renewal. This new design uses a symbolic idea, like calmness, rather than the obvious material or object-based inspiration. It becomes more abstract, more emotional, and more focused on atmosphere. From an artistic perspective, our pavilion expresses calmness through aesthetic, symbolism, form, and emotional impact. Aesthetic. We use clean and minimal lines, soft curves instead of sharp angles, and a layout that doesn't feel heavy or crowded. Symbolism. Curved roof equals slow breathing. Open sides equals open mind. Layered forms equal quiet and organized thoughts. Light materials equal emotional softness. Form. The form is organic and flowing, avoiding visual tension. It feels gentle and smooth to look at. Emotional impact. The visitor should feel peaceful and mentally clear. The space encourages slow movement, quiet sitting, or simple reflection. Elements and principle of design. Harmony, consistent shapes and material. Balance, equal softness on both sides. Rhythm, repeating layered layers of the roof. Contrast, thin vertical supports versus wide roof layers. Space, intentional openness. The model parts that reflect artistic intent include the curved roof lines, open air sides, and the elevated light frame. Aside from the artistic side, this pavilion also applies scientific and environmental logic. Orientation. We position the openings to face the dominant breeze direction to enhance natural cooling. Sun path strategy. The roof uses soleil-inspired layering. These layers shades the interior by redirecting and filtering sunlight, making the brightness soft, not harsh. Wind and ventilation. Small gaps between the layers and the open sides allow cross ventilation. This prevents heat up buildup and make the pavilion comfortable without mechanical system. Material choice. We use popsicle sticks and bamboo sticks in the model. This represent lightweight materials symbolizing eco-friendly and simple construction. Structural environmental logic. Popsicle sticks, main load bearing frame. Bamboo sticks, secondary supports, shading. Layered roof, passive cooling, and soft lights. Open base equals airflow underneath the structure. These choices keep the pavilion stable, breathable, and climate responsive. How this design differs from our last one. Our old pavilion was inspired by the lotus flower, symbolizing renewal. It was more literal and had pointed or sharp elements. The new design is inspired by calmness, more abstract and smoother and more emotional. Artistic decision that changed. We removed the sharp edges and detailed symbolic shapes. We replaced them with sharp curves, smooth flow, minimalism, and clarity. Scientific environmental improvements. The new design focuses more on comfort and climate responsive. Instead of copying the structure of an object, ventilation, shading, and filtering sunlight were improved. Wind flow is more open. The pavilions now feel cooler and more peaceful. In this redesign, we learned that architecture becomes meaningful when art and science work together. Art allowed us to explore emotion, symbolism, and creative expression. We learned to trust our ideas, challenge each other's sketches, and refine the metaphor of calmness. Science guided our decision about orientation, sunlight, ventilation, structure, and material behavior. The most important lesson is that a successful design must balance emotional intention and environmental logic. Calmness guided the artistic choices while sustainability and climate responses guided the scientific choices. To close our presentation, here is the final image and rotation of our model. Thank you for listening.